Math module of Python. Python standard library provides a module, namely math, for math related function that work with all number types except the complex number. In order to work with the function of the math module, you need to first import it in your program by giving statement as follows: import math, where in the top line of your Python script you can use the math library function as math.function name. Some mathematical function in math module is given here. The first is ceil, math.ceil of a number. Okay, num is an argument, number. Ceil function returns the smallest integer not lesser than the number. When you pass math.ceil 1.03, the smallest integer which is not lesser than 1.03 is 2.0. So the result is 2.0. Next, sqrt, math.sqrt of number returns the square root of the number. When you pass math.sqrt of 81, the square root of 81 is 9.0. exp, exponential, math.exp of argument returns the natural logarithm e raised to the arg power. So math.exp of 2.0 gives value e power 2. Fabs returns the absolute value of a number. Math.fabs of number, that means when you pass a number with the sign, a negative sign, it will return the, remove the negative sign and give the value only, that is an absolute value. Next, floor function, math.floor of num returns the largest integer not greater than num. For example, when you give 1.03, the largest integer which is not greater than 1.03 is 1.0, and math.floor of minus 1.03 gives minus 2.0. We will see the demo of all these functions. I am giving import math print. Okay, in the print, what I am doing, math dot ceil of 1.3. Next line, print math dot square root 81.0. Next line, print math dot exp of 2. Next, print math dot fabs of minus 1.0. Next, print math dot floor of 1.03. Okay, save the program, execute the program. First, see the output. Math.ceil of 1.3 gives the value 2. That means the smallest integer which is greater than 1.3 is 2. Next, square root of 81 gives 9.0. The exponential logarithm e to the right, okay, the 2 is raised to the power of e power e square, that will give the value 7.3, and math.fabs of minus 1.0 which gives the 1.0, the negative sign got removed. Math.floor of 1.03 is 1. So math.floor of 1.03 is 1. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. In this video, we have watched a few functions of the math module. In the forthcoming video, you will watch some more functions. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.